So I'm back with my CB or transparent juice semi-holder video. So I mean also actually an unboxing. So yeah, let's get on with the review. So I actually have the complete team now of transparent juice. So yeah, let's start off with the packaging. Here's this nice card art. The new 2018 Cars logo, which does not show number like on the series. I mean, just like last year, like I guess 2000 until 2017, I believe. So yeah, actually got this from a second-hand store. I mean, as you can see, the blister of the package is already all squished up, So it's actually deluxe. It says there's CB. Nice expression though. Excuse me. Sorry if that's a blooper, I guess. So yeah. He has this nice expression. I don't know how to describe it. I'll better open him up and see. So you can see Dan Holland and Van Scanlon, which is in RV. So the description says, after the Dinoco 400, a tiebreaker race is needed to determine the winner of the Piston Cup. Nice description. So it shows one of the racers. So it shows Aiken Axler, Dale Earnhardt Jr., Hall Ingas, Claude Scruggs, Todd Marquez, and Greg Candyman. Shows one of the racers. So at the back, it also shows Truxton D'Agostino, and then I don't know who's that racer. So yeah, let's get on with the unboxing. So I'm very excited for this. Oh yes, finally. Here he is. Here he is, finally. So happy to get him. Whoopsie. Put this aside and let's get on with the review. So it's a 155 scale diecast with no paper stickers whatsoever, all custom painted. Nice happy expression though. Big side view mirrors. Says transparent juice on the hat. I'm actually recording this on December 15th, Sunday morning. That's why it's like so quiet. I mean, yeah, I just want to make a video for you guys since it's my birthday today. It's my birthday morning. So yeah. So I really like the part when there's like the sponsor and the mud flaps of the haulers every time. So yeah. So its license plate says GK 224. You cannot read the text above it. Let's see if I can read it for you guys. Loca nut. I guess that's what it says. 63 on both sides. Oh yeah. I'm very happy now that I have the entire team of transparent juice. So yeah. I'm very happy now. So my next video will be on Sterling with headset. Yeah. So see you there. Sorry, I did not appear a while ago, you guys. So we're back with my Miles Malone video. So here he is. This is the one that I ordered online, which is on Lazada. So yeah, I'll be comparing him with Dustin Miles in a while, as long as I unbox him, by the way. So yeah, let's get on with the unboxing of Dustin Miles. So they don't have any boxes anymore. I mean, for these cars, because actually they're all out of boxes, but it's okay. So yeah, peeling out tape everywhere. So I'll get this truck out. That was kind of hard. So yeah, so here he is, all out of the package. So here he is. So yeah, I'll be okay. Let's take a look at Miles Malone up close. So here he is. He's the same model as Dustin Malone. So yeah. Sorry about the trash, by the way, you guys. So yes, FN service and shipping, both sides also on the door. FN service. Yes, the FN logo with the wing on this door. So yeah, the only difference of these guys, which this guy has TS on, which Dustin Malone has just TS. So yeah, wish granted, you guys. I finally have Miles Malone for my collection. So yeah, so I guess see you next week for another video, which is my last video that I received on my birthday. I mean, so yeah, so stay tuned for my review on Ferrari fans Luigi and Guido. So see you, I guess, next week for another video. So bye. This is the Pixar Cartopper signing out, and peace out. Oh yeah. Hi guys, this is the Pixar Crossover again. So today I will be reviewing Ferrari fans Luigi and Guido. Let's start with the package, shall we? So here's the package, by the way. So it shows Ferrari fans Guido and Luigi. Got confused there for a bit. From the radiator, from the Movie Moment series, which is my very first Movie Moment series cars. So I hear the hat of Guido is removable from the videos that I watch from YouTube, which is from Blue Collection and RC Cars 5. So at the back it shows. So let's read this description first. Available at a toy showroom near you. Guido and Luigi. All the residents of Radiator Springs meet at Willis Butte. Meet at Willis Butte, the big race off between Lightning McQueen and Doc Hudson. Luigi and Guido were their Ferrari racing fan gear to watch the dirt track action. So at the back it shows Ferrari fans Luigi and Guido themselves, Philmar and Sarge, which I already have, Flo and Ramon, which I already have, which I still need Buzz and Woody Movie Moments 2-pack. I already have Sally and Cruising McQueen, which are available in singles, by the way. Snot Rod and Boost and Snot Rod, which are also available in singles. And Mike and Solde still need these two, so let's get on with the unboxing. Oh, where are you going? Fire Department Luigi. Whoa! Sorry about that. Sorry, it's not balanced that well. There it is, it's coming out. Oh, it has tape. I hate tape so much. Move this card art aside. I mean, move this card aside. There they are. These guys, oops. Oh, hopefully I did scratched Luigi. And finally the Artifan Guido. Whoa. Whoa. That's kinda weird. That came off. That's so weird. Well, let's take a look at Luigi first. Made a big mess here. You know what? Forget this package. Don't know how to sort it out. As I was saying with Ferrari fan Luigi. Yeah, sorry about that. So, it's basically the same expression as the Cars 1 Luigi. I mean, yeah, the main difference is the cap and then the one big flag and one small flag. So yeah. So that's it for my explanation or review on Luigi. Let's go to the exciting one from this pack, which is Ferrari Fan Guido. He has a removable wig or hairpiece, which I can actually also put on the normal Guido. So I like it more like this. So yeah, says their Ferrari. Yeah. Nothing too much at the back. He has the signs of a Ferrari logo, I guess. So yeah. So I guess that's what I can say. So I guess this is my last video from my birthday here, the ones that I received for my birthday. So yeah, so I can see you on Friday for another video. So see you all on see you all next time. So bye. This is Pixar Cars Over signing out, and peace out. Hi guys, this is the Pixar Cars Over again. So this is this is another one of my birthday. What cars that I received on my birthday. So yeah. So I finally have my Apple Racer. So they did not have package for these because I ordered this online. So yeah. Let's get on with the review. So here he is. Basically, so custom painted. It's a 155 scale diecast, all custom painted with no paper stickers whatsoever. So yeah. So his sponsors are very blurry though. I don't know. It's an error. So yeah. It's really an error because I cannot read it. So yeah. So I guess that's what I can say for my review for my Apple Racer. Or his real name is actually Mac Icar, so yeah. It's actually Matthew Overtaker. Matthew Overtaker, I think his name. I think his, in short, Mac Icar, but his real name is Matthew Overtaker. So yeah. So I'll be right back with my Lightning McQueen with sign video. So see you there. So I'm back with my Lightning McQueen with sign video. So here he is. So here's his card. There's his card art. He's from the Rusty's Racing series. So here he is. Here he is hiding behind his sign. Says the Rusty's Medicated Appointment. Lightning McQueen. So it doesn't show his name, but it just shows the picture like on the packaging. So at the back, there's no cars whatsoever. I guess this is an international packaging. It just says Lightning McQueen with sign in multiple different languages. Yes, the very, very ugly Daredevil Garage app, which makes no sense for me anymore. Like RC Cars 5 said, Disney Docket said. I don't really like it anymore. The app. Yes, some descriptions on there. Never mind. Who cares to read that? So yeah. So it shows Rusty and Dusty at the back. So yeah. Let's get this guy all opened up. Shall we? So yeah. So take this to the side. So yeah. So let's take a look at Lightning McQueen. First is the basic Lightning McQueen with it's just a regular 155 scale Lightning McQueen. So yeah. Nothing too special. It just has this is my very first Lightning McQueen with the plastic hair version. So yeah. And let's take a look at the sign. I finally have it. I'm so happy now. It says there, Lightning McQueen Rusty's Medicated Appointment. Even this, he's actually doing like this during when he was trying to pass through the Rusty cars because he doesn't like to see them. Like, for example, it's like he was hiding and then the sign falls off and then the Rusty's car saw him. So yeah. So you can actually, for those who did not know, you put the sign like this. So yeah. Just roll. So yeah. So I guess that's all I can say for this video, folks. I can see you in the next video, which will be tomorrow on. I don't know what car am I reviewing tomorrow. Anyway, yeah. I have no idea what car. So yeah. So I guess that's all I can say for this video, folks. I guess see you tomorrow for another video. So yeah. So bye. This is just the Pixar Cars Over signing out and peace out.